welcome to Housey. Myself Anushri, and today I'll be revealing the teaser of Veena Imperia by Veena Developers, located at Andheri West, Mumbai. But before that, let me show you the surrounding of this project. As you can see, I'm standing in front of the sales office. Right behind me is the sales office, and right beside it, the land parcel. Let me show you the neighborhood of this project. So this project is located at Bangon Link Road, Andheri West, Mumbai. So the right side leads you to the Vile Parle and the left road takes you to the Goregaon. Check out the neighborhood. As you can see, this project is opposite to the Infinity Mall. In this teaser, we'll be discussing the below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. So let's start. Now before moving further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where the home buyers are directly connected to the developers, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do one single inquiry, your contact number is directly shared with the multiple brokers, which will lead to endless calling. But in Housey, you are directly connected to the developers because in Housey, listing is done by builders and not brokers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with Housey. So first one is project overview. This project is being developed on 2 acres of land parcel featuring 2 tower, ground, first level is the rental, 6 is the podium, 7th level is the amenities, 8 to 36 is the habitable floors and 37 is the rooftop amenities with the configuration of 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies with Jodi options available. Now let's talk about connectivity. So this project is located at Bangon Link Road, Andheri West, Mumbai, opposite to Infinity Mall. Coastal Road 10 minutes, Lower Oshiwara Metro Station less than 1 minute, and upcoming flyover which is right behind me that connects you to Western Express Highway is 1 minute. All school, colleges, hospital in a radius of 1 kilometer. So here you get access to 40 plus luxurious amenities such as infinity swimming pool, mini theatre, business center, and many more. Now let's talk about carpet area. So the carpet area for 3.5 BHK is 1402 and 1404 square feet. And 4 BHK is 1470 and 1570 square feet. Now let's discuss the booking process. So our token window is now open. Clients are invited to visit our sites where our sales team will explain the project details. We will show you the actual location as well. We share you the payment and the pricing scheme. Then if the clients like the project, they can proceed to the EOI for 3.5 BHK is 5 lakh and 4 BHK is 6 lakh. So everyone, this was the complete teaser of Veena Imperia by Veena Developers located at Andheri West, Mumbai. If you are looking for more details of this project, click on the link below to download e-brochures and price sheets. And don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.